Tired of constant Microsoft Family features pop-ups on Windows 11? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to turn them off, quick and easy. First, click the Start button, then choose Settings. On screen, highlight the gear icon with a subtle scribble circle. In Settings, go to Accounts. Use a simple on-screen callout that says Accounts. Now click Family and Other Users. Add a quick scribble underline under this option so viewers can't miss it. If you see a child or family member account you don't use, select it and choose Remove or Manage to adjust family safety online. Removing unused family accounts or managing them online usually stops those constant family features pop-ups on this PC. If you're still getting prompts, they might be tied to family safety notifications in your Microsoft account. Open your web browser and go to family.microsoft.com, then sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on this PC. On the Family Safety page, select the child or member that's triggering the alerts. Add a callout that says Select Profile. Look for features like screen time, app limits, or activity reporting. Turn off the ones you don't need, especially activity reports and weekly summaries. Back on your PC, restart or sign out and sign in again. Those Microsoft Family features pop-ups should now be gone or greatly reduced. That's it. You've disabled the most common Microsoft Family features pop-ups in Windows 11. Like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes in under a minute.